Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon members. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Yeah, so if this is the first time here at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we highly recommend subscribing to stay updated with our latest content. Hit the subscription button above, click the bell icon and select all to receive notifications whenever we at the Jamaica Young Police channel release a video. Remember that this channel is not an entertainment channel. You know, entertainment channels give you a average between 10 to 15 minutes. This is not an entertainment channel, so you have to go elsewhere if you want entertainment. Remember to give this video a thumbs up because you will find it helpful and informative. Please remember to share the video with your girlfriend, your boyfriend, mama, papa, side chick or side man, and tell them to tell a friend about the Jamaica Young Police channel. You can join the Patreon squad. By doing so, you will gain access to exclusive content that cannot be played on YouTube due to various restrictions. To unlock this untapped collection of videos, click the link in the description box below. Joining our Patreon community allows you to explore contents that complies with laws, rules and regulations while avoiding disruption to our channels. So thanks for your continued support and we look forward to providing you with exceptional content. So moving on to today's video. So we have come to the end of the General Starky series. So so distinguishing true legends from mythical criminals. So in my community of Jonestown, they look up to General Starky as a legend. But we're going to explain to you guys. You don't want to live like General Starky because at the end of the day, you're going to end up at a departure lounge or Madden's. Yeah, I just saw it go. Reason being is that when you're a criminal, remember the gun that you have is illegal. So you can't feel comfortable at any time. It comes with a lot of stress. Unless you don't love your life, as much as you hear them say you're brave, that is not bravery. That is just madness. That is just giving away your life. When you have an illegal gun, you have to understand that you have rivals. People want to kill you because you're in the same gang. Because you don't have some disagreement. And two of them want the gun from you too. Then you have the security forces who want to take you up because you commit crime, because you infringe on the rights of other people. Yes, but they are not them are same corrodes and all of them things. They are people, they are part of the state, and you are cause problem for the state. So the state will find some way of take care of it, deal with the problem. Most killers, you cannot rehabilitate killers. Killers will always be killers because when people kill, it's them. It's like an ego thing for them in the garrison, because to them feel like when them kill somebody, them get the person life. You don't. You understand? So as we conclude this series, we reflect on the life and myth of a notorious criminal, often mislabeled as a legend. Yeah, so most people in a Jonestown, Concrete Jungle and all over the Kingston metropolitan area, over the years, them label Anthony General Starky Tingle as a legend, but he's not. You understand? And we'll tell you why. So it is crucial to understand true legends are not born from lives of crime and violence. Let me repeat that to all of you youths where in a Jonestown, yeah, where in the time I play and them play it loud, say, yeah, boy, I want for year Chris, because Chris come from here, so and I tell you thing them. Yeah. General Starky wasn't a legend. He was a criminal. So just listen what I tell you. It's crucial to understand that true legends are not born from lives of crime and violence. Absolute legends are heroes who fight for justice, protect the innocent and uphold the law. So let me repeat myself. Absolute legends are heroes who fight for justice, protect the innocent and uphold the law. Yes, I would classify myself as a legend because that's the reason why I joined the police. That's why I want to be like a Tom Levine. That's why I joined the police force to make the people them in our community, the innocent, protect the innocent and uphold the law. So anytime any guys where we stay somewhere we have to deal with them thing there. We protect the innocent from them. So but the people them where that these corrosion and corrubuncus love, these are people, they are like parasites in our society, in our community. Them have no respect for the rule of law and them respect the rights of other people. Only people them respect are themselves and the people them who are commit crime against others. Them have no respect for other people's human rights. In Jamaica's history, such heroes include, so listen now, you have to hear who are the heroes them in Jamaica. Detectives Tom Levine, Keith Trinity Gardner, Isaiah Leng, Calvin Benjamin, the late Tony Hewitt, and Dadrick Henry. The reason why I want to say Bigger Ford a legend, because Bigger Ford is not included in this series. So we're not going to include Bigger Ford, Arthur Farbs. So you understand? We have to have context. And most of the things that we tell you straight up, most of the things that we'll get bought with Bigger Ford and them things, whether or not you want to believe it, is all him thief. But I tell you that, believe you me, him do some good work, but majority I think them way people them tell me, I've seen it's a Bigger Ford of him a thief and him have people out there where a thief and all kind of thing for him. So I just saw it go. You understand? So we know at the Jamaica we celebrate real heroes. Yeah man. Detective Tom Levine, yeah, cleaning up Kingston Street. Detective Tom Levine's relentless dedication to cleaning up the streets of Kingston made him a true legend. So when I talk about legend, when I talk about a guy, when I talk about say boy, he my legend. No. One legend and he my true legend. Tom Levine, a true legend. His tireless effort to rid the city of criminals, elements, brought safety and peace to countless neighborhoods. Levine's work was not just about enforcing the law, but about restoring hope and security to communities plagued by crime. That's why the people them in a Jonestown, Unspear police area, anyway time Levine go and work, people love him. Because him always, him go for the worst of the worst. You understand? But I can't tell you one place I know him hate people at Rima. Him tell me that. Him say him hate Rima people, them believe you me. Yeah man, him hate them with a passion. I mean that you get for I never even quiz him about the shooting where him partner was killed on it, but him hate Rima people with a passion. Yeah man, Tom Levine hate them man. I'm telling you when him there Hunsby, him say I fall like people them when him there was. Him say I harass people them and them thing. Although the day when his partner was killed, him did kill a 7 man, him say a 7 man him did kill that day. Hey, trust me, police now kill people no one them thing. Now them time cause them time you know. And them criminal did beat them criminal did heartless in them man there, Tom Levine, Trinity, Tony Hewitt, Isaiah Leng, Calvin Benjamin, and at them man there, why criminal did free the police, you know, because you have to have heartless man to deal with them criminal there, because, hey look, you see all the police them when used to work at Westkin, yeah, Denham Town, trust me, them used to kill police unless like nothing. I tell you, yeah man, hey, one can't stay them man, them man, so you see what going on right now in Jamaica, police alone can't bring it back on them thing. But hey, you know no detective out there again. You know no Tom Levine, you know no Isaiah Leng, you know no Keith Trinity Gardner. As much you understand. So Keith Trinity Gardner and Isaiah Leng stand out as pillars of strength and resilience in adversities. Yeah man, their commitment to justice and their ability to maintain order in chaotic situations earn them the respect and admiration of their peers and the public. These men exemplify what it means to be proper protectors of people. Calvin Benjamin, Tony Hewitt, and Dadrick Henry, heroes amongst us. Calvin Benjamin's unwavering sense of duty, Tony Hewitt's dedication until his timely passing, and Dadrick Henry's fearless pursuit of justice further illustrate the qualities of true legends. Their lives and careers were defined by their commitment to serving and protecting the public, often at a significant personal risk. Yes, like Leng get shot about 3 or 4 times Leng get shot, you know. But when not even attack, the amount of shoot, Leng shouldn't be here still doing it, because believe you be, you know. Because I remember if all one time in time, after them they killed Joe Dog mother. Yeah man, Joe Dog and Peter Dog. Yeah, me I tell you, you know. But you know all them, hey, only I get to, you know, man, them love the animal name, you know. Yeah, you understand? Yeah, and how Joe Dog get the name that, you know, say a dog bite him and him bite back the dog, you know. I don't know how him do it. Boy, the man is something else, you know. Yeah, so, yeah, as we say, you know, yeah, I say length shouldn't be here, but at certain, you know, the same time, you're here for a purpose. As we tell you on them thing, the right pan see him, Curry pathway, you know. After them kill Joe, about 30 man, you know, with M16 rifle, you know, pan Curry pathway, and here to turn the ball. House, you know, man, with them 16 and them thing there, and I did Leng and 3 soldier and him and one ex-police named Kiafaka, you know. Any of them did ever go up there, you know, man, that would be a murder. Although still, all I boy them are dead after, but would I lose him and them thing there, but, you know, good sense prevail, them never just go up there in the darkness and them thing, because they couldn't say. And yet still, guess what? Them man, them not getting no medal on them thing there. The people them get medal of Jamaica when they contribute nothing but the destruction of Jamaica, like Dr. Caroline Gooms, who that's why we have all the criminal them emboldened, and a man who helped to reduce crime and make people, like even me when I grew up, could have walk from Concrete Jungle and go downtown up here, through Jonestown, Craigtown, Anatown, Matthews Lane, and nobody, and you understand, and nobody no trouble with. I just saw it go. Him not get nothing for that. For restore that sense of security to our community. But I saw it going to Jamaica because him not politically connected. The PMP never give him it because they never like him. You understand? Even at time Levine never give him anything either, because through the man is not beholden to these people. So you have to be a part of the clique, and you understand? Me say all police will pay paperwork them do and all them things. I see them get a much award and how much medal when heroes there. And them man we are a real hero. Not him gallant through them man I get it for. After them man I take all some of the most wanted men and get all shot. But I saw it go on them thing there. Once you're connected, because they don't want to put you on the pedestal for the, you know, for you grow up and say, you know, more want to be like a Isaiah Leng. Like how me say Tom Levine and based on all the people them talk about him. When they talk about real life era, I say, yeah, I saw me want people to talk about me, you know. Like how they love Tom Levine. I saw me want the people that, you understand? That's why I mean, because that's why from me at 4, I say I want to be police. And the younger police say me want to be a detective. Nothing else. And I live out my dreams, you know. So, yeah, so as you understand what I'm saying. So, you know, so the dark side of myth, in stark contrast to these real life eras, the criminal figures often glamorize in stories and songs, you know, do not deserve the title of legend. These individuals, like the infamous General Starky, Jim Brown, Claude Massop, the George Spang, Tony Wells, the Willie Aggards, yeah, them brought fear and violence, not honor and respect to their communities. Celebrating such figures distorts our understanding of heroism and misguides future generations. So that's why the youth them in time we are growing them thing there. Because hey look, you see all the time we are grow. When Copper used to come in at Jonestown, I see them like a youth them, you know, them getting up for at the street corner them, you know. And them guide them out of the community, you know, and tell them if police are coming and soldier, you know, I tell you, you know. I saw it go from small, you know. Yeah, them stand up by corner and them would have be the lookout for tell, and them now, them want to, when they get big, them want to be like the Copper. But General Starky was totally different. And why may I tell you I saw some comment with some people, I said something about Starky, him kill all them sister when she pregnant and all of them things. But we have all a lady. After this, you got hear a lady we come from down there. You understand? I got tell you some things about Starky. I tell you. So while heroes like Detective Levine were making the streets safer, corruption was not absent from the police force. Yeah, Corporal Renita Adams, for instance, yeah man, the same Renita Adams, everybody appraised, was known for shaking down illegal transit bus drivers downtown Kingston while stationed at traffic headquarters. Such actions undermine the integrity of law enforcement and tarnish the efforts of those who genuinely aim to protect and serve. So when a guy come talk about say, me say all them do it, say boy, Renita Adams are the most feared police at, you know, ever in Jamaica. Renita Adams was a squad police. Squad police is like a man in charge. It's just like how when you did have acid and you have range of squad and them thing there. So yeah, Renita Adams was a TV police. Renita Adams are not a bad police. When you talk about bad police, I them man in the area attack. We are one police. We all go fail 3 gunmen in a shootout and kill 3 of them. Renita Adams never do that. Because I'm a traffic police and he used to shake down the busman them. And the reason why we don't rate Renita Adams, we never see Renita Adams as a police. We see him as a political enforcer. Him was a PMP police. We don't respect police like them. He man on a bad police. And plus, we used to work with our brother when he and Ludlow more. Bad police. Because we and him used to work. We do some nice work and leave in the south before him got before him got Spanish Town. That's why I have so much respect for yours truly and them thing there. You understand? And Bobby. You know, see, yeah man, the first time we are coming from Court Palm Maxwell, I tell you man, hey boy, them 2 dirty boy there, yeah man, I just saw it go. Ludlow, yeah, them man there. So I'm based on what Ludlow tell you, that's why I want to rate him and them thing there. Him, Renita Adams, when him go place and them thing there, you know, but, and plus, him don't know if to treat people and them thing there. Because a man like our Ludlow more where do so much for you and put you up on a pedestal. Yes, yeah, you know, the station, you know, because we a man who believe in a loyalty, you know, and Ludlow a team and them thing there. And Ludlow, we know. Because Ludlow, him never hide it. Ludlow a PMP and them thing there. But Ludlow never know. Ludlow just assume say we are PMP to like him. But we are not a PMP, we are police. And we tell him that and them thing there. People just always assume say boy because we born and grow at Jones so that we are PMP. We tell him say no, we are not PMP, we are police. And that's why I said no. I say no sir. We don't support it and them thing there. Because them bring gun in a mic and mash it up. And I say, boy, I see I got my prime minister. I say, I true in the man, boy, I love Eddie and them thing there. And he might talk about him days of eradication or see I go used to treat them. This is a man, you understand, but you know, see. So I just saw it go. So in our continuing efforts to illuminate Jamaica's complex history, we will delve into these stories of corruption and heroism. So stay tuned as we explore the actions of Corporal Renita Adams and others, providing a comprehensive view of the challenges triumph in law enforcement. So I call to recognize true legend. As we end this series, we urge our audience to recognize and celebrate the true legends among us. Honor the detectives and the officers who work tirelessly to make our communities safer. Let us teach future generations that real heroism lies in service, sacrifice, and dedication to justice. By doing so, we ensuring that the stories we pass down are those of genuine courage and integrity, inspiring others to follow in the footsteps of these true legends. So we want you to watch, you listen, and you decide as we continue this journey. Telling you about General Starky and life in our ghetto and how people behave amongst each other.
I don't know where them dirt truck they did go.
Man, the street sweeper them, I don't know.
Hey.
Boy man, the thing is with me and them thing, me say, boy, give me the book and not the gun and them thing there. Because when you really look back at it and them thing there, Starky, Michael, whole heap of youth them were dead and them thing there. I see them politicians them destroy them life, because you see Jamaica right now, so Singapore, so the people them are Singapore, them don't even have help at their door. Yeah, Singapore and the blueprint where Singapore used to become a first world country. At Jamaica, them go when Bustamante, our prime minister, Siaga was the thing there, was the finance minister. At him, Lee Kuan Yew get the blueprint from. Cause them supposed to clean up all the harbour and all of them things. That them did have for Jamaica, You understand? So that's why all of them things that we used to have on them things. You remember, although me know say you old, remember I said downtown one time, you never used to have no shutter on them things there. You just look through the glass case and you say tricycle and butter store. Remember them things there downtown? In the night you could have walked downtown and all clean. You remember?
Yeah.
Yeah, I tell you, man.
The store downstone is the truck falling. And right now the people them on the sidewalk and they never take it up at night time.
They don't take it up?
No.
How comes?
They just sure chop all in over it and stuff for them rat and roach and them stuff and avoid them food, man.
Man. I remember them time, man, you know, may I tell you, man, you know, Jamaica did nice, man.
It's like a jungle now with the people and yourself. You know, you have sidewalk for walk and them take over the whole of the sidewalk. And then you have this blue tarpaulin and they all create them where them have for the stalling. Don't they look terrible?
Yeah, man. At night time and them thing, man. You know, you got, you know, your parent carry you downtown, make you walk and all them thing. There's like a youth and
Christmas market. We used to got Christmas market.
Yeah, man, grand market, man.
You know, you buy a little Christmas. So who now buy and you look. The Jamaican are nice again, man.
Well, because of the culture and them thing, what has destroyed the people them is this killing. You understand? The first thing as a man have anything at Jamaica, the first thing him say you're dead.
You're not for dead, but kill your ass.
Yeah, true. And hey, remember one time when a man threatened you and them thing, then a man, you can't take it lightly, you know. Man say man kill you, you know.
No people reason them family I kill family.
You know say our son kill mother and him kill him mother and father over Portmore. Them now go change and them thing there, and them now have nothing. Them now no loyalty and them thing there. Well, you know him, you birth him, you know. Alright, look, a man from Jamaica bring up him son at Texas, a Jamaican man, and the boy come and him kill the father and the stepmother and him sister. Jamaican boy. You understand?
Let me hear them something. Even at Jamaica too.
Yeah, man.
Them are kill off them one another for property and land and them.
No, a regular something that no. You know see all old people, man, them a kill. You know see all the two old people them kill up at one place, them above rocks. Where pliers them come from, the DJ and pliers and spanner banner. I land for them two man, the family kill them for, you know.
Right, and the support them like them how much while this guy will come from England come bury his mother.
Man, and the brother make man go kill him in the house.
Brother kill it.
And I see, but just like what I said, and I see him brother where everybody in our family shun, you know, and I only one embrace him and I him kill him. Remember,
and the sister called me the auntie interview panel. Papai. And she said, "Fair son, they are jail feet, and him go figure him have a wait name there." Figure report and them all on him, but so when Papa asked him if him, she said no because him not them a fight for fair sister property. Him have for them she have fair property different. So him not kill or a fight for him our sister property.
Boy, wicked man kill him own brother for land for him man place.
But them, you know, she said they never kill the sister too. But through the sister, some of the sit with fridge and move out, and one of the sister never come.
Boy, I see him thing with all this dread and them thing there. When come from a Rima and them thing there, I think a monkey man did kill him, you know. And you know, say monkey, you talk to him, and you know, say, where the dread name? Him come from Natty, Arima him come from, you know. Monkey man did kill him father, you know. And you know, say the youth call me and tell me, say, him get to find, him call me, you know, and him say him get to find out, you know, say, him auntie, you know, sleep with monkey man, you know, and make monkey man kill the film father, you know. And yeah man, and him tell me man, say boy, he must say, but him a rasta now too, you know, the youth. I remember where dread name come from, Rima, he must bad man too, you know. Yeah, and him say, boy, him can't believe when him find out, say, cause you know, say monkey man named Davis and them thing there, them kill him for a while time, him bad, you know. Yeah, and him say, boy.
The guard monkey man they come from?
The police,
He was police?
Yeah, man, yeah.
No, man, they have a bad man named Monkey Man, cause I pass out a bumper and see him, and I said, Jesus Christ, it really look like I hear.
Yeah, man, Monkey Man.
They have a bad man named Monkey Man to man from Garden.
But no, the police and Monkey Man are Tivoli him come from to, you know.
I don't know if I see him somebody, but I know
him like a monkey man them call him.
Walk, I go down and the whole of them you see the pan bump. That's all. We don't just father name and the whole of them, alright. That's what me know them. When my son father mother used my son grandmother used to come and me used to go down there and my daughter follow me. And she said she would, turn the corner out and say him name Jim Brown and him name so and so. I say, oh, cause I never know them, I'm gonna hear the name them. But they will stand up out there sometime and men are a pass. The time she a little girl, and she Foxy Brown, and she have picked for Jatty. The time she was little girl, them time she always a follow me after when I go down there.
All Jatty I set him get set up to, And the boy working Jatty him that Spanish town, Red Rape. Me know him,
So them not say they come a foreign.
No man, Red Rape that Spanish town now.
That meet one I'm brother, California. Them say him tell me say I'm brother did kill Jatty.
Alright, and something did set up with blood and Radigan them, Yeah, amount of innocent people that are Maxil for that they killing there and them thing there. So,
yeah, because even one man when it still live at Blunt Street, him all high in him gate, like GP gate, him used to walk through the gully and go up on a town. All during the election, him still live there. Live at Blunt Street. He used to say Percy Crusher live on island by himself.
And what happened to him?
When Jatty, them put a lead up on the wall and go in there, go kill him, but them never kill him wife and him pick them.
So why them kill him?
Me don't know and him not do nothing. Just senseless.
Why? Why this thing, as what you say on them thing, I remember back in the days, a man in a problem and a man want to catch a man if he kill him, but why? When the man them go kill Peter, Peter dog them, family and them thing there. After them shoot your brother. The retaliation. Cause I saw it I go know what Jamaica, you can't catch Quacker, you catch him shot, Well,
I want to tell you, my brother tell me the night, so them if we go kill Peter, a Joe dog, pick them, but it have the louver window, like them take out a pin out, loose the screw, and it could have cut So when them at the door, I try go in, them all snowy, just jump through the window and run up the road, run like 10 Batman coming, but them never trouble to pick them, because the little dog, and them other brother did the pan the bed asleep, them never do them not.
Why the dog, them are something else, man.
A Snowy, they must go for and Snowy run left them ass. But I don't know why them and Snowy was a nice girl, she never trouble them.
Why?
When I get involved with certain people, you have to know where you live and them something. No, take away yourself from it.
Not true, man. Why life in a ghetto not easy though. Sometimes sometimes some people dead because a man say him feel like.
Yeah, them ears. Yeah, man. Who caused all this killing? One dirty man. Siago. Because I remember when we live at Bacawal and the circus, them used to come, because father used to carry at the circus, and me used to hear him, I tell my mother, say, anytime you see the circus, them gun coming at them. I saw the gun them used to come in at the country.
But me can't tell you about what happened down there and thing. I can't tell you about what me see in my community. And me against the gun business and them thing. Give me the book.
One man create all of this mess. Remember, even in the 70s, when we come a girl in street come live, my father used to stand up out of the corner because them used to play the Japan out there. And so we used to call little old man them lurk stars, the rum bar man, they were drinking at them.
And tumble, and them drunk and tumble down.
Hey, my father is out there and chat with them, and one day him come in the yard and say if he do want gun, him could have get gun, a bag of gun drop on foot. That was before 72 election, Him just see a man drive up and come and drop a bag of gun and man I take me. Oh, God.
So what? So that part of a Labour right part that or PMP part?
Well, when we live at Blunt Street, PMP and Labour right mix up, in the 1980, people, in the election in the 1980, when everybody had dead off, them kill off the people up at Newtown and all about, everybody who did that, because nobody, Me know certain people are live right. We not vex with them or trouble them.
Yeah.
You know, but the dieted place with grassroots at Tivoli and Rima. And then jungle build up, you know, so they saw PMP and then they build up Beverly Manley housing over Fletcher's land this so. And then you know, so the coolest me not hear nothing go on at them place over Orange Lane, Orange Villa and Beverly Manley housing scheme.
Orange Villa, them killed. Over there, them killed Danville Palmer girlfriend and shot him up the other day.
No, them never did them drive up.
And can you know say Poochie there with Vuliaga wife, Little Miss. But she not old man, and Poochie a young boy, you know.
Them care. Them care.
But
anyway, morning we talk, but after 12 now, I'll get jump into that shower. Yeah.
Alright, my sister, bless it.
Yeah, man, nice talking to you.
Yeah, man, nice talking, you know, for set the record straight. You never expect him to talk to you, don't it?
No.
Really? No, man. Hey, look here. Between me and them thing, I never see myself superior to nobody and them thing. I say everybody is equal to me. Cause my mother always tell me, one life we have. Nobody right. My mother always say, the only thing is that some people have money more than others that they make it better. Because I say, when you're there, the same place you all I want to go. And right. She said, some people more educated than others, but that they make you better than the next person. So you treat people just the way you wanted to be treated. Yeah. You understand? That's why one thing with me and them thing, I not disrespect people and them thing. If you not diss me, I'll even not diss me, I not go diss you. Because I not go down to your level and them thing there. You understand? But we know so some people and them thing there, them button, it easy if you just touch them button and them go off. Just like that.
One thing we know with when them man was alive, nobody couldn't trouble we. And we never exploit it. And you know some girl I know so them have them bad man.
No man, a peer problem. Them just like this them. Yeah, man.
No, man. People see me. Remember one policeman who used to do a HTB bakery. A man, Barry, that Bimbo Roderick's brother. Barry, they live up at also trust with him wife, but my sister and him used to talk, I saw me know them. But this one, no, me never remember him name. No, him used to there at a Denham Town police station, but then like him come up at Trenchtown police station. So one time I go through the Woodland and the Jeep, a driver come for go around at the station and one man I say, I remember for somebody in the police Jeep stop and I say, why you look nice here? Where you don't come from both here, so? So I say, yeah man, I live around there, so. And in the pandemic, I see him, I say, where you see me do? Where you see me do? Never tell us me I labor right. My labor right and then go like him want to tighten out people all the while. So never tell us me I labor right. The mouth of that self. Because the man there and the man have praise me and I tell boy, you not come from about or something. Oh, me never see about or something. I say around this and I live.
So you don't know police barrier and big youth?
Of course. Then I run a Front Street, big youth yesterday. I kill off most of the Rima man there and then go about Friday daytime and I run through play. How much Rima man him kill around this so go rob every Friday.
Yeah, and the music here Starky sometime too. In a police vehicle. Well,
I say, I don't know where we move with them man, they make, but when I know I can't talk, but I know say one thing with them man there.
Them evil man.
You see like how people, them friend killer and them something, them not believing in that, cause even when the jungle man them run with the end of them would have to left up a jungle because them are all upon the girl them and I rape them. Starky never find a shot pan DNA. And Squidly, me have to lick some shot off a Squidly one time because Squidly done off up himself.
He must bring this too, you know.
Not DJ Squidly.
Oh, the other one, the bad one you attack.
The original Squidly, yeah. Yeah, me that go and enough up himself, so he have to put a shot on him in his foot. But you not go see man DNA animal in a war or a fire shot. Never ever find a shot and DNA never ever find a shot or fire. And we know that.
Well,
And him have to, him nuff up himself and Tony shoot him and him have to take him shot and go sit down.
Well,
I have a daughter up here. I don't know if him be when I rape Maureen and she knows say him breeder and him not own the picnic. Him and her never there. But the little girl grow big and she knows say her father.
Why me know say him in. Can't remember all in that 86 still.
All of them do what them want do when them want do it. Then them sneaking away.
Well, a criminal them still. Cause you can't expect an honest criminal and them thing there. Cause remember say criminal, you know. Them same man a break the line and them a tell you as you as a citizen what you must do and what you mustn't do.
Them do what them want do when them want do it too.
Yeah, when them true. When them a break the law and them thing there, and them will tell us them. And them we put it out there, you know, say, boy, them for them life, you know, it's like a saint, you know, and although them commit so much crime, you know, if you talk what them do, you know. So if you shame what you do on them thing, now why you do it, you know? You understand?
Because even when they used to rape the people them up a jungle, nobody couldn't hold on paraffin sister them and rape them because them were dead. So it was a stigma. That's why the jungle man them never liked them because nobody never do for them a rape for them sister them.
A dirty man them that man.
I'm foot first. A shot man them say shoot him first. I never know where it happened to him if him dead or what. Them say him did shoot then in him foot and then when him crawl go under the cellar now the police them start shoot him up under the cellar.
And finish him.
The night we did still, I think him dead in a 78 December. I never forgot that. Now we down a Blunt Street, I see mama's a walk, I go down, so she hears them kill D and him down a mad. Now we walk with her, go down there.
Hey, all the people them used to love go mad and go look for dead people, sir.
Yeah, I know.
May I tell you, and them running, you know what?
Yeah, man, because if we live near mad now, we hear say nobody did, we run go to cause. When we follow mama's go down there, we see them chew him up past some other dead body. She said, when we go as we go in, so we see him. I said, Jesus. I turn out back. Then all one time I come down Sliping Road. Before me come a far and see some police car a fly. I come down Sliping Road at the 1 o'clock day. But I recognize the car, you know, because I was one of the blue car, you know, ladies to drive in a blue car.
Yeah.
And I said, blood teeth, what you mean? No, me have my brother stick man now. Me I said, Jesus Christ. And what happened now? I mean, run go through Anatown, quick and reach down a mad when me look. A peer crowd, them shut down the shutter. No, when me go under the shutter, then halfway open, I must go under it. When by time me bend down for under it and come up and treat it and lie there, me I look. You know, when I do down, I go.
I saw the people them stay down there, man. Every time you reach a KPH and them thing.
I know what's saying. That was the Friday evening. The Saturday morning, I pass. I go down a bread lane and I see one woman and a prettier woman and her daughter, and them are balling, you know. And I said, do me hear the woman? I say, me try. And I when me come a foreign. I did hear them say, you me be a credit, me go rob and them kill them.
That's at 86.
Right, God, no man, 86. I come a foreign 85 January. That was before, man.
Oh, okay. The last time they robbed you was 86.
That was about 82. 82. Because me never remember if me have. I think me have my son yet, if you like. Yeah, me did have my son. I think me did have my son already. 82, 83, 84. One of them bracket there. And when me come a friend, I know my husband, I feel him, I tell me, say, I'm friend them. Wasn't friend them. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, okay. Them patrol out that year, him used to patrol, you know.
Like, it seems him used to work at eradication too, you know.
Them not tell a special unit. And,
he used to work at eradication and them thing.
I remember acid did come out first and then eradication.
No, man, eradication, they bought before acid.
No, man, when me done it was acid.
But me I tell you, no, eradicate. Like it seems that eradicate. Eradication is that Spanish.
Oh, yeah, so no, yeah.
Yeah, man, a Spanish town road. And then after that, them come. Because say PJ party to mash up eradication. Because eradication, it really keep Jamaica cool, you know that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. You see, one police used to work with in Ludlow Mort. I tell him go Spanish Town. I saw Renita Adams get big on him thing there. Him used to work at eradication. Man, him used to work at one spear, man. Dangerous.
All right. Now you take up that talking the other day. Nice talking with you.
Yeah, so we have come to the end of the General Starky. You know, what happened in the morning when he was killed, and even before then, and you hear some intimate things, you know, as we told, you know. Hope you enjoy the series. You see that, and, you know, that's why it pays to be a Patreon member. You know, so, you know, whenever we have things like these, we share it directly with you guys first. So, you know, you understand, you get access to the thing before the others. And we appreciate those of you who support the, you know, the Patreon channel, because some things we cannot share on YouTube because due to graffiti, you know, the, you know, to describe the scenes and stuff like that, them thing that, you know, YouTube dink your channel and the next thing, you might lose it. So we just hope you enjoy it. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.